So now I'll be demonstrating our Fukushima demo, Station Blackout. We'll begin the run at 500 seconds. So right now we're viewing the fluid temperature. I'm going to change it here to vapor void fraction under the control volume option. We have plots available on this demonstration as well, found under Page. You can have up to 4 plots on one screen. You can also view individual plots by double-clicking on them and double-click to go back. You can use page up and page down to cycle between the different screens of plots. I also have some options available to me by right-clicking on a plot. I can go to Tools. Scan values will allow me to get a more precise value at a certain point on the plot. There's another option available, which is Slope. I can click a point, and then the second point, and that gives me my slope. To get back to the other types of screens, which show the modalizations, I click Screen. And I cycle through these screens using page up and page down, or by clicking on Screens, I can choose which one I'd like to go to. This screen here is our fuel channel screen. Then we have core screen representing fuel channels, lower plenum, and additional data found on the left. Here we have flow through the junctions. If I right-click, it'll tell me which junction number that is that the flow is going through. You can also set it up using interactive inputs to where you can control the pumps and valves. Once you have the interactive input in your input deck and have properly set up the pumps and valves, you can click on them and choose whether or not to open or close a valve or turn a pump on or off. So now we're further into the run. About 2,300 seconds into the run, you can see that the core is starting to become uncovered due to the loss of coolant. And now we're viewing the vapor void fraction. You can see our water level has come down into the core here. Back to our plots and look at them. See the water level is dropping off here. Okay, now you can see we're almost 5,000 seconds into this run. The water level has completely dropped off. We're getting some oxidation. Core temperature is rising. We've also got some hydrogen generation going on and debris falling into the lower plenum. Back to our screens here. You can see the core is almost completely uncovered. Fuel channels uncovered, only a little bit of water left in the bottom. You can see here the debris falling into the lower plenum. I'll also bring up another screen of the lower plenum here. You can see a larger view. You can also show the node values for the lower plenum. There's a legend here to tell you what is being indicated in the lower left of the lower plenum here. There's also a legend at the top for the fuel channels to give you an idea of what's going on there. So our core temperature, we're at 2700, almost 2800 Kelvin.